You might be wondering what King Commissions is, so here's a little overview of it. It is a system which has been tested for months to bring consistent $1,000 income when you put in part-time efforts into it, just 2 or 3 hours of work per week. The system helps you generate free traffic to make money, direct payments along with affiliate commissions. It also helps you leverage the existing website or blog traffic and use it to grow your website search engine ranking and traffic. While doing all this, the system automatically builds up a big list for you, which is the most important asset to any internet marketer. And along with all this, there are useful guides, WordPress plugins, along with videos by internet millionaires training in almost all aspects of internet marketing. And then there are members, only webinars to keep track of progress of each member and help them address their issues live so that other members can learn from it. These webinars are recorded and added to members area so that those joining at a later date can follow the same path and start marketing money online. All in all, with King Commissions, you have found a goldmine to succeed online. So what are you waiting for?